Wild animals are called wild. Just ask this reporter who was informed that llamas are gentle animals. No one told that to the llama. This financial reporter is trying to do his report in front of a very hostile audience.
Go away. Investment opportunity. To me, that would have been a warning sign.
Perhaps next time he won't wear such a tasty suit.
I just wonderful, aren't they? They're so distinctive.
Most people would jump at the chance to visit face-to-face with a cheetah. Apparently, cheetahs feel the same about humans.
Excuse me, do you mind?
Of course, not all animals are harmful to humans. Some are only harmful to themselves.